Like I was about to say, Satish, should we skip this session because they know it all? I mean, they know so much animation, they know about films, posters, music, the way they have expressed themselves and presented it. I said, what am I going to speak? Is it going to make any difference? And then I remembered something. I remembered that Sudhir is here, so I'm talking about his work. Okay, now I can't see him though. I had a work of his, the image of his work, painting, and I said, oh yeah, I've seen this in his big show, I think so, it's similar, and I kept it aside. And then Sudhir and I was having conversation, and he sent me some more work of his, which you will be seeing some of it. And that particular work which I'd kept aside was also there, that image, okay? And I just said, oh my God. I mean, as I kept looking, I said, okay, I've seen this. And I just went on judging and evaluating and remembering what I've read about his work, remembering what I've heard about his work, he's speaking. And at one point, suddenly, I didn't even realize I had let go of all this conversation. And I was like standing on zero, like, really, I had no judgments or thoughts about his works anymore. And I suddenly discovered new things about his work, which I hadn't seen before. That was the magic of this whole thing of letting go of all that you know at that point. Now I'm not going to lecture you all, I'm just sharing this with you. So I realized that if I hadn't let go of all that, maybe I would have missed out on opportunity of seeing his work in a new way. I would have said, okay, I've seen it, like that. And I thought today, maybe we could just for today and Wednesday, let's try it out whether we can let go of everything that we know. Like from 26th, all the sessions, so many people said so many things. And I'm not saying it's wrong or you shouldn't do it or you shouldn't collect all knowledge. No, that is useful and important. But that is not useful for when you really want to discover something at that point. That time, letting go helps, or letting go creates magical results. Even when you're working, even when I am working, when I just let go of all the things that I know, something becomes possible for me. Something new becomes possible. So we are going to look at what can become possible for us today. Are you all willing to stand on zero? Like it's like an empty bowl, like really nothing, just empty. Yeah, let's try. I know it's a bit difficult. I mean, for me, it is difficult. Maybe not for you. I stand in front of a work and our ideas start coming, all the thoughts start coming, and I can't see that painting in a very, very straight way, like only when all that vanishes, now something happens. So today, we're going to try that out, okay? If it doesn't happen, it's fine. If you don't want to do, also fine. But this is just what I thought. As you all know so much, maybe something will happen. Second thing I want is so much. I said the other day when I met you all and I said hello to you, I said, oh, you can teach me. And it was just true, like I learned a lot from you guys' presentations, some of the things I didn't know about animation. And Ritish, you said something about something like a metamorphosis word, what was that word? Flat surface creating
anamorphic.
Yeah, now I had not really I didn't know that word, so that was a new thing for me. I learned, like that I've learned from all of you, a lot of things. So actually you all are my teachers, okay? But today we're all going to be students, each one of us, which includes you, me, Satish, Prajakta, Imarti, and Sudhir, and whoever is here. Great, na? And even if it's this much of new way of seeing, discovering something, That's great. You don't have to always discover something huge. No, no, no. Small things. That'll be fun. It'll make a difference. Okay. So shall we start? Yeah. So, and one more thing I wanted to say is, please be free to share. When we share, none of us are going to judge you all. We are not going to judge each other. When we share, others are also able to discover something, or they can add to your discovery. So that's what we are going to see. All right? Yeah? Great. So, and let's be like one family, okay? No tension, just relax. I can't work with tension like this. Okay, this is Sudhir Patwardhan's work, and I'm not going to say anything. I want all of you to look at it and tell what you see, something. Have you seen this work before? Has anyone seen this work before? Hey, you can mute yourself. Unmute yourself, sorry. Can you all unmute yourselves? Am I?
No, ma'am, we haven't seen it.
Yeah, so unmute now and you all can talk. It's easy, like we are sitting in one room. This is not like I'm sitting in an auditorium stage and you people are sitting in the chair and we are talking. No, not like that. We're all sitting together. Only thing is, this is Zoom, that's all. You haven't seen, na? So what do you see here? So I'm going to keep taking names, okay? Whoever I see. Okay? So let's see who's the first guy here. I can see Aditya here. Aditya, what do you see here?
Ma'am, I see a busy street with a metro on top, lots of cars and scooters in the bottom.
Yeah, when I say see, really see, what I mean is, I know you can see that, but you can elaborate a little bit on that. Maybe you see a particular way the cars are moving, a particular way things are happening there. It's a busy street, you said. Yes, yes. Yeah. What else? What else?
Can I try?
Of course. Who's that? Your name, because I can't see all of you now at one go.
My name is Ayati, and I feel that the metro and everything is not having a specific shape. It is soft, so it can fall down. Oh. And also the cars.
Wow.
It's not. It's like cotton.
Yeah. Great. Who else? I'm going to ask who else wants to add to what these two people have said. Where is this place, you think?
Ma'am, I know it's in Mumbai, somewhere in Mumbai, because of the color of the taxi, the yellow and the black color of the taxi.
Somewhere in Mumbai, right? Have you, like I was a couple of months ago, I was in Ghatkopar. And suddenly this is not Ghatkopar, but I remember this claustrophobic, crowded place. Yeah. Hey, Madhav, you want to say something? Tula Manai se kai. You want to say something about this work? Unmute kar. Can't hear.
Okay.
Bol. Yeah.
नाही मी पाहिलं हे वर्क मला पाठवलं होतं पण मला याच्यातल्या 2-4 गोष्टी खूप चांगल्या वाटल्या.
But maybe Hindi or English, Karan, everybody
English,
doesn't know.
yes, yes. 2-3 things just I liked because of that giant gateway and the cars are moving from various directions. So, and the sky between that two space of the ground and space in the sky, that I liked. Congested space and very empty space in the sky.
Ah, lovely.
This I like very much.
Yeah. Okay.
And the colors also, very bright colors.
Yeah.
So this is just.
Sorry, Madhav, sorry, I cut you. Sorry.
Yes, continue.
Nahi, you sang, you wanted to say something, right?
No, it is all right. Yes, in
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Khyati, you want to
and,
say something?
and also I like that color of plastic blue,
Ah,
which is the very important color in Bombay's uh, this slum area or congested area
yeah,
of
yeah,
small houses.
yeah,
So that is also here. It is very interestingly divided
yeah,
into pieces. That is
yes,
good.
yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I had not seen this car at all, and I saw it for the first time. This blue car at the back, which I
Yes.
noticed for the first time. First time I never saw, but second, third time I saw, I noticed it. That was quite interesting for me. And for me, I'm just sharing. Anyone wants to share, Khyati? We are going to
Yes,
go.
ma'am.
Yeah, bol. Then you should say that. Okay, put your virtual hand, or you just put your physical hand up. So I know you want to speak, or just shout out your name.
I
Bolo.
can see that a Porsche car or a rich man's car is going by, and all the cars are like taxi and other cars are trying to go safely from around it so that they don't hurt that car.
Yeah, I know. I know. And just to add to that, you know, they are all moving in. Taxi is going here, white car is going here, and yellow is coming here. So it's a circular movement, ne? I saw. I had not noticed it before. And then these scooters are going in and out. So there are two movements happening here, this way and this circular way. That was interesting for me. So it's not that I'm going to constantly share. I just thought I'll share once, but let's go to the next one.
Can I say something?
Sorry.
Yeah,
Can I
yeah.
go back? Oh my God. How to go back now? Wait. Sorry.
Arrow keys. Arrow
Stop.
keys you can use, the reverse
So
arrow.
that's what I'm doing. Hey guys, don't laugh at me, huh? I'm not bad at technology, but sometimes I'm really bad. Okay. Who's
Yeah,
that, Satish?
yeah. Because you had instructed that I have to be student today.
Oh, yes.
So
No. There is no instruction. You are a student today.
Yeah. So I changed my name before itself. Normally my name used to be Granite Trust. So today starting itself, I changed it to Satish. Okay. So then Sudhir sir, when he presented in our program, NEET Talks, that time I was an organizer. So I couldn't tell anything. It was mostly artists. So today among artists, I feel a bit embarrassed to, air my opinion. But today I am a student, so I can air any opinion.
Yeah, the first rule was not to feel embarrassed.
Yeah. Okay.
Enjoy. That's the rule, okay?
Yeah. So So as Sudhir sir is also there, so let me take some courage and tell that. So what I feel is always about Sudhir sir's work is, I feel that the most important person or element in his work is invisible all the times. So in most of his works, there is an element which mostly comes in the center part of his canvas area. And that will, sometimes I saw a Christ kind of stuff, or, in some works, I see an empty space there. So it gives an impression that there is something which controls this entire stuff which is happening around. In this one, it is like an arch, almost at the center part of it. So I always see an invisible kind of powers that be, which controls maybe the entire movements of a city or a world or something, which I don't think which is most from a divine perspective. It is mostly from controlling from a power center perspective.
Okay.
And in this painting itself, if you see, like, you can see all shades of wealth here. People, all shades of transport, all kinds of building. So suddenly you will get a misunderstanding that, oh, all these different wealths are together, but it is not. It is just a moment of life where all these things are coming together. But when they get back to their normal life, all of them, the 1% will be with 99% of the wealth, and the 99% will be with 1% of the wealth. and this power in the center might be controlling that, and that is invisible. That is a feeling which I get.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, and all of us, like some of the participants, these younger participants, younger students, I must say, just for the sake of understanding, they have not seen Sudhir's work or many other works, but some of you like Prajakta and all have seen it. But don't go by what you've seen. The whole idea is to let go and see what is in front of you. So Satish, when you talk again, it'll be this work you're talking, not what you've seen, okay?
Can I say something about this work, ma'am?
Can we move on? There are lots of things. Who wants to
No,
see
I
that?
want to say I'm Prajakta.
Prajakta, okay.
What Ayati said, there is something, it's like, it looks like a cloth. And in this painting, especially, I feel these cars and everything, it's made up of clay. Even these huts here, it looks like toy, clay toy. Yeah, I mean, everything, these cars and these figures, it looks like it is made up of clay toy.
Yeah.
I mean, clay. Yeah.
Is this Ayati saying?
Ayati mentioned about this, na? It looks
Okay.
like a cloth.
Okay, but why is she not talking?
No, this I am saying, I'm continuing something which I thought.
Okay, I got that.
Continuation
That's
of her.
interesting.
Yeah.
That's very interesting. Thank you. Okay. Now this is also Sudhir, but here it's very different, isn't it? Ritesh, what do you think? What do you see here? What about the
Ma'am, I
colors?
feel this
What is it?
place
Or what do you, 1 minute, what do you think the artist is communicating to you, or what do you think is getting communicated?
I think that this painting is communicating with me a view of a village where a person is sitting in the yard of his house, and then this cow which is grazing is coming near him, and the cow is like, it is skinny but it's also muscular, and the person is like seeing the cow, and he's both the cow and the person, they are feeling the movement of maybe the freshness in the village, and they are like enjoying their time, both the cow and the person over there.
Lovely. Anyone wants to add something to this?
Ma'am, Elisa.
Elsa, yeah.
Ma'am, I think this drawing has a lot of, it has focused in a lot of, very detailed, it's a very detailed drawing because the artist has specified the cracks on the walls of the.
Yep. Wow, that's a good observation.
And also it looks like a school instead of a house because it's a little more longer and the corridor looks very nice. I like it.
Yeah. And suppose this boy was looking on his right side and not the left, straight like this, or slightly on the left side, would the relationship of the cow and the boy change? Yeah, I mean, just speculate, just a question.
Yeah.
I just thought of it. I thought of it. That's why I'm asking you all. Did you all think like that?
Yes.
I thought this blue was sky first suddenly, but because of this door, I said, no, this is a wall. Initially, I just thought, oh, it could be sky. So I was a bit surprised. Anyone wants to expand on this, add to this? Some discovery you have? She saw some cracks there on the wall.
Yes,
More. Yeah.
Ma'am,
See your
can I
name.
say? I can feel silence when I see this painting. Silence between the villages or something has happened.
Yeah. Hey, say your name, huh? Because I'm not familiar with your voices. Then I know this one is spoken, that one is spoken. Eh? Who spoke just now?
Ma'am, Kathy.
Kathy, okay. Yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah, that's a great thing. Yeah.
And even the artist has played only with 5-6 colors in this drawing. And then also it is looking
which color just catches you? Which is the color which you first saw or attracts you or says something to you? What does it communicate to you? Which color?
Brown.
Yeah. Brown. Okay. You think the tiles are brown? Kind of reddish, ne? Okay.
Yeah, not actually brown, ochreish brown, which is of the cow and the boy's pant.
Oh, yeah. That's right. Great.
Can I add something?
Yeah, please.
The colors used here are dark and deep. For example, brown color, and there and green color. The cow is. I mean, there's nothing for the cow to eat, so she's skinny and all. And the boy is.
Oh, oh, sweet. Thank you. Thank
The
you.
doors are shut, so there's something going. There's something which is going wrong there.
Okay. Okay. There you are. This is Dilip Randade's work. I don't think he's here today. But what do you see here? Jahan, sorry. Jahan, you want to say something?
When I first saw the fishes and I just thought of the yin and yang, you know,
Ah, that's what you
the
saw.
fishes.
Yeah. What else? Krishna's not said anything. Krishna, you just.
So I feel like she's a fisherwoman in Mumbai.
Uh-huh.
Fisherwoman. Am I
Yeah.
audible?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And-
Mumbai. Yeah.
Yeah.
A Marathi,
Marathi.
typical Marathi.
Specific, na?
Yeah,
Very
yeah. The hair, the way she's wearing the sari, everything.
And does it look very real that you've seen somewhere like this?
Yeah. Because like I live in Bombay, I've seen such like typical fish selling Marathi ladies.
Have you seen the fish flying like this?
No.
So what would you call that? It's kind of gives you what feeling?
I personally I feel that that's her living, selling fish and all.
Yeah,
So-
that's true.
That's what I feel like. She's looking at the fishes.
Okay, Kyati, you raised your hand. Thank you. Kyati?
Yes, ma'am. I can see that the fisherwoman is trying to get those big fishes, and for getting those big fishes, she's trying to hide the small fishes so that she can get it. So
Lovely.
from this, I'm able to think that बड़े चीजें पाने के लिए छोटे चीजें पीछे डालनी पड़ती है.
So many stories we have now. You know, you hear so many people saying different things. Yeah, I saw it like
Can I add one thing?
it's a bizarre
Ma'am, so-
scene, right? Yeah, sorry.
Ma'am, can I add?
Yeah,
One thing.
but say your name or raise your hand, then I can read. Tell me.
Ma'am, so I'm a vegetarian, so I can relate this to maybe a lady in Kerala, a lady in Kerala. I can see two fishes in her hand. So these two fishes have been killed. She's going to sell them, right? So
Yeah.
these two fishes have been killed, and the black background represents the dark bluish and black background represents to me that it is a sad thing that these fishes have died. And the two fishes which are floating looks like the souls of the fishes which have been killed by the fisher lady.
Wow. So many stories, yeah, I'm getting. Actually, if Dilip was here, he'll say something else, no? Okay, we have lots of things, okay, guys? So we're going to move a little fast. Now, here is a film you're going to see. Okay. I'm stopped it. So now tell me. Now tell me what is your experience or what got communicated to you. But say your name first, huh? Prajakta, you want to say something? Or shall I ask one of these younger students? What was that? What did it get communicated?
Alisa,
Yep.
ma'am, it looked like a game of tug of war where neither of the teams are willing to give up easily, and they look like they are trying very hard and to win the game.
So the game is called tug of war, okay? It's a game. It's a regular game that we play. Like at least I played it when I was in the school. I don't know if you people play. Nowadays you play all computer games, so you may not know it. But this is tug of war. But what does it communicate with you? What is this? Is this a bright place? Look at the lighting. What is the movement? Whatever you discover, smallest thing. Atharva?
Ma'am, I'm Ritesh.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm Ritesh. So can I say?
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, so the black thing represents to me as like these two teams are really concentrated on winning, and they don't really care what is happening around them. They are like in a room, in a very dark room. They really concentrate on the rope, and they really concentrate on winning this game, and they really don't care what is happening around it. So that's what this black lighting, tells me.
Yeah. One more person, because we have to move.
Yeah, can I speak? Krishna.
Yeah, Krishna.
I personally don't think that there is a win or lose kind of a thing. It's like a never-ending thing, I feel. So like one guys will pull, and when they get tired, the other will have more energy. Then it's like I feel like a loop kind of a thing. Like
Yeah, it is loop, frankly. That's a good observation. Yep.
I can't see a end to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. Actually, the film has to end, so it ends, but otherwise the feeling is ongoing, right?
Can I add something?
Who's that?
I'm Prajakta.
Prajakta. Okay, great.
Yes, this is a game, but it's not normally this game we play in outdoors, but as who said that? Lee's, no? It has more like a drama also, created drama kind of feeling. I thought.
Okay.
So. Yeah.
That's what you got. Yep. Yeah. So what I wanted to, what we are discovering is what is it communicating, okay? So I'll just show you something else. This is a photograph by Pushpamala. So there are photographs, films, stills, paintings, drawings, everything here. So what does this communicate to you? Is she looking straight? She's looking on her right side. What is that communicating to you? Yeah. Sudhir, you can also join, okay? If you're listening, you can also participate as a student if you wish to.
I'm very much here. Don't worry.
I know you're there, but we are all students today. We are all sharing. So if you are here, you have to share. But first, my younger students. You don't have to, no compulsion, everyone, but you get something. Is she wearing clothes like you and I are wearing? What is she doing there?
Mom, it looks like Elisa. It looks like she has done performing something, and she's looking at a person she's waiting for, or they're whispering about something. They think about another person.
Yeah.
Sitting on right.
Fabulous. Fabulous. One more person? Anyone? Pushpamala is a performance photographer. You know, she does performance photography, photographs.
Right? So can I say?
Yeah, please.
So I find this as some really fancy restaurant in maybe England and or something over there in the maybe 90s or something that type of time. And she is maybe a very rich lady, and she's maybe trying. Maybe an artist, maybe a designer or someone, and she really finds this restaurant. And when she sees someone perform, and she's looking at someone perform, and then she really finds them like she is jealous of them performing art better than her. So this she is like informing to the secretary or something like that. I feel it like that.
Wow. So many stories coming out, huh? Lovely. So we are now going to go to the next one. This is also Pushpamala's. She's jumping from that top of the balcony. So what is your experience? What is it communicating with you? Atharva, have you spoken at all?
No,
Then why are you quiet?
I think she didn't like what the man said. And I think she's escaping.
That's right. And look at her hands, legs, how where is she going to land? She's come from the top right here. First she was looking over her right, which shoulder was she looking? Over her right shoulder. So that's where suddenly my eyes went. Who's standing there? Now she's from the top, she's falling on the ground, right? So suddenly I'm looking at the ground. Are you also looking like that? You can look, don't have to. I'm just saying my eyes went down there. Where are your eyes going? Anyone else?
Ma'am, Andres, I feel that she's like scared of someone, so she's escaping, and I feel that she's a gymnastic of a kind of person because of her outfit.
Yeah. She's a fearless Nadia. She's fearless, no? Jumping like this. Okay. Oh, one more film. Good. So now, Satish, you want to say something? Just little.
Yeah. I felt one door she's trying to close and another one she's trying to open. So irrespective of the actions, I think girls always open or close maybe for the same purpose to get the shelter.
Good observation. Anyone else? Thanks, Satish. Who else? Sudhir, you want to jump in?
I'll say it's very, the environment is very oppressive, and she's obviously either being chased by someone she wants to escape or something like that. Seems like a scene from a film where the woman is, being a victimized for something, and she's trying to escape, but finds it very difficult.
Yeah.
Ultimately, there is a little hope when she's opening this door.
Yeah. Thanks. Ayati, you want to say something? You've not said anything. Thanks, Sudhir.
Not at all.
Ayati.
Suspense created here.
Suspense, yeah.
Because of the composition lights and all, also the black and white filter given to that video. Yes, and the girl is trying to run away. And her actions are also not fast. They are very slow so that no one understands the way she opened the door. And now the way she is going out,
Wow.
without making any sound, she is trying to escape that place.
Yeah. Yeah. And what did you feel when the hand came? It was like a close up. Did it look like a hand or did it look something else or what is it? Did you all feel anything about that?
Yes, ma'am. I felt like spiders are coming instead of hand. It felt very creepy.
Yeah, no? And then when she actually entered, you saw it is a proper hand. I mean, you may have known it's a hand. Yeah. That close up transformed the whole thing. No? Meaning? Thank you. Wait. What happened? Arey, it's not closing. Hold on. That's right. Now, this is by Archana Hande, huh? And this for Kerala people and Dubai and wherever y'all are, this is Marine Drive, a famous Marine Drive. So, who else? Johan. Sorry, am I? Everybody has to participate. So, if I take the same name, please tell me. But just one person because we need to move. This is a watercolor. So where are you in this picture, you think? I know you're an observer, but where are you? Jahan, you have something to say? Have you discovering something?
Yeah, it's drawn in a way like a 360-degree view.
Okay.
You know, 360. Have you seen the photos like taken in 360 camera?
Yeah, actually, I
like
worked
you could
with,
see all around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But where do you think, if I say, where are you standing, what would you say?
Like I'm seeing from I'm seeing from a top view or something.
Yeah, that's right. It's a top view, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's a top view, like I can see all around.
Yeah, that's right. This is also Anjana. This is a photograph, okay? So one person can say, one of us? Who has not said for a long time? Have you seen a camel standing on the rock like this? No? Lisa? Eliza? No? You've not seen?
No, ma'am, I haven't.
Then what feeling does it give you? What does it communicate to you?
Ma'am, I've not really seen many camels. So this is a very new photo. So it looks like the camel is defying gravity. It looks like they're standing on the edge of a rock, but they're not still falling.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks. Madhav, you want to say something?
No.
Okay. You know, this I found this very bizarre. It is unreal, right? It is surreal, we call it. Because in reality, this wouldn't happen. So it's a very strange thing to see this, right? I was like, oh my God, how can that be? I'm just giving you different example. I mean, we are looking together for different things. Now, this is Madhav Imarte's work. He's going to speak to you all next Monday. This is his drawing. And what do you think this object is?
A typewriter.
It's a typewriter.
A typewriter.
Ah, lovely. Arey, you people are too much, yaar. Really, too intelligent. Yes, and what does this typewriter, this way of drawing of the typewriter communicate with you?
So the typewriter is the
What's
typing.
the name? What's your name?
Ritesh, sorry.
Ritesh.
The pad of the typewriter is imperfectly drawn, but then the letters are near the side representing that it's a typewriter. and then there is like a very interesting design, like a feather of a bird tip in the top, and then where the paper can be inserted. And then also it looks like a paper shredder, the top part of the typewriter, because I can see very interesting, thin pieces of paper. And I think that is my feeling when I saw this image.
Yeah, so what do you think the artist is saying? I mean, the artist is here, but we won't ask him, okay? We will interpret it the way we want it. And we have the freedom. So we won't ask Madhav, he's right here. So anyone wants to say, Krishna?
Typewriter is very cute.
Yeah, typewriter is very?
Cute typewriter.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Hello, hello. Can you hear me now?
No, your sound is very,
This
very low.
typewriter is very cute typewriter because the lines are also not stiff, not like perfect. They are random, and it gives a feel like it is very soft.
Ah, oh, nice. Great. Oh, one more. Okay. So, what is this communicating with you, or what you are experiencing? Something? Yeah? Who wants to
Yes,
say?
ma'am. Ma'am, can
Yeah.
I?
Sure, tell your name.
Khyati.
Yeah.
I felt like there is a conversation going between two people, and she is continuously looking to both of them one by one.
Okay. And this is such a close-up, no? You can't see her full face. So what is your experience of that?
Ma'am, Krishna here.
Yeah?
Yeah. So I feel I and her, we both are having a conversation as if she's worried about something. And then she's telling me that she's really worried. When she looks straight into the camera, I feel like she's looking at me. And then I say something, and then she's like, not that worried. She's like, okay.
Okay. Okay, now let me go to, I don't want to. Stop it. Where do I go? Now this is Sudhir. Now Sudhir, everybody will think Sudhir is my favorite. Yes, he is, but there are many others also. But he sent me these works, so they were just right there on my computer, and I like them. Tell me, this is a acrylic on paper, right, Sudhir?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
On brown paper.
On brown paper. Okay, great for telling us that. So now tell me, who's Netra's? Netra, she's not spoken at all. Would you like to say something, Netra? Anyone, just say your name and talk. Please, no problem. Prajakta, you want to say something?
Yes, this painting is, this specific work is not that concrete as the earlier one.
But you talk of this, huh? That's exactly what we are talking about.
Only about this work.
Yes, because
it is about
otherwise
some
it's
action.
like judging the other work.
Yes, this work is about some action. Something is going on, like it's happening now, like.
Yeah. See, my request is, don't think and compare and judge. Just be with that work and talk about that work and discover something if you can. Anyone? Yeah, Lisa, bolo.
Ma'am, the lady, she looks like she's upset with the drawing that she made, and she's staring it because she's unhappy. It looks like an artist because you can see the brushes. I feel that it's brushes and different canvases kept in the sides. So yeah, I feel like she's upset with the drawing and she just tears it off.
You think it's a boy, it's a man or a woman, or a boy or a girl? What do you think?
I think it's a woman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
With short hair.
I think Sudhir is drawn a man, but doesn't matter whatever you think. Sudhir is also learning from his own work, your interpretations. Oh, this is what I drew, is it? I didn't know that. Sudhir is going to say. That's great. Thank you. Oh my God. Okay. Whose turn is that? Who would like to speak? Tell what you feel when you look at it. Do I take names or you'll just raise your hands and speak? Aditya?
Yeah, ma'am. So I feel like the person is like trapped in a confined space and is like trying to get out. Like this actual frame, it reminds me of a scene in the movie called Madagascar, where the characters are trapped in a crate and is trying to like get out. And it's exactly like this. There's a crate and the entire next scenes are all black. So it reminds me of that scene.
But Aditya, what we are looking here is discovering something new. So when you go back to that experience of what you've seen, it stops you from seeing this work. See what I was saying? You got that now? I'm not saying it's wrong. All I'm saying is it stops you from discovering something in these works. That's all. Okay? Yeah. Thanks, but thanks. Anyone else? Ritesh? Yeah, I have to take names or what? You guys are now savvy, yaar. Fatafat haath upar karo.
Ma'am, like I got two feelings for this. So when I first saw this immediately, I felt if my mom gives me some work to do that I don't like, I want to escape it, but then, you know, she keeps on telling me to do it. So I felt like that. And second is I felt as if this scene from a horror movie or something like that.
Oh, but I like the first one. Okay. All right. Anyone else? Madhav, you want to say something?
No, I can't see the picture correctly.
Oh, okay. Tuja mobile hai ka? Okay. Sudhir, you want to say something?
No, I think let the kids say. Yeah.
Okay. So we'll move on. Oh. Stop it. Oh. Now this is Atul Dodia, okay? This I got from the internet, so you can sort of see. That's his oil painting. So, and that's Atul there, standing. It's his portrait. So tell me, anyone wants to say something about this? Satish, you want to say something? Ayati, Liz, who wants to? Come on. Krishna, Atharva, Atharv. If I'm not mistaken, Sudhir, this is called Bindas, na? This is called, this work?
It's called Dadagiri.
Dadagiri. Dadagiri. Just see, the title of the work is Dadagiri, and look at the way he's standing. Look at the colors. Who wants to say something? Even a small thing that you have followed.
I felt that he's teaching the painting something, like he's holding a stick and all. Maybe that he's like a teacher there.
All right. Anyone else? One more person.
Yes, Hayati, and I feel that he is with that stick. He is just mixing the colors.
Okay. Do you think it's a stick or a brush? It looks like a stick here, but actually I think it's a brush. No? Okay. Oh. Okay. What do you think? What did you see just now? What's the experience? What did this action communicate with you? Is that real? Is that a performance? What is it?
Yeah, I first like it resembled of Hanuman opening his eyes.
Absolutely. You're so clever, Krishna. That's it.
Yeah.
Then
it was like there is something that's within, for example, in Hanuman, Ram and Sita, they are within him. He feels like that. So there is something within every one of us, like when she's showing it, what's within her.
That's right. That's great. Okay. So now let's see what is that. I want to go to the next one. This is a photograph of a film video. Okay, because I couldn't get the video here. I just wanted this photograph to be shown. What do you see here? It's called Kabaddi. You know the game Kabaddi? It's a national game, right? Anyone? Has anyone played Kabaddi before? No? All right.
Ma'am, I have like played kabaddi with my friends before.
Okay.
So, like when I see this, when I was really young, I used to play, and my friends were like really, elder than me. So whenever I try to make them out, they don't even care about me. They just, hold me still, and I can't even move because I was like very young, and so I feel like that when all of them are holding him.
That's right. But what is it? This work communicating. That is what you're remembering from your memory.
Men are pulling, it's like whole men, so only men, they are pulling that woman, that girl's hand is stretching out for like hope or help just to get out of there.
Absolutely.
It's like that.
Yeah, you guys are so clever. Oof. All right. Now, next one.
Ma'am, but it is not actually a woman, no?
Who? Sorry, shall I go back?
Previous image, yeah.
This one is a woman, yes. You can see that, no?
Ma'am, but even a man can have big hairs.
Yeah, absolutely. But you can say it's a man if you want to. Like in Sudhir's, he had drawn a man, but somebody felt that it was a woman. Fine, no problem. At least Sudhir didn't object to it. Sudhir, you wanted to object to that? He's not answering.
No, not at all.
It's your interpretation, whoever sees that, so just, but what it is communicating there, looking at it, that's what I mean. Not, like you'll remember something, sometimes when you were a child you played. Yeah, that's great, that's valid. But now, seeing the image, what is it that you see? That's what I'm asking. Okay, let's go to the next one if you want. This is a performance, okay? But a photograph taken of the performance It's a live performance, but the photograph taken. So it's a representation of a performance. It's a recorded, not like a video, but as a still photography. So here this person is walking with this cane armor. So actually it is I who's walking. And first tell me your experience, at least one person. Otherwise I won't tell you a story. You want to say, Jahan?
Also people are looking at you. You know,
Yeah.
it's kind of you're trying to be different from others.
I'm trying to be what?
A different, like
different.
You're wearing
Actually,
a
I wore this to protect my body from violation, and I was crossing it from right to left when in that busy road, and all the traffic stopped for a moment, which never happens otherwise, except for the lights. So that was something so strange, I can't tell you. Suddenly the sound stopped, everything. So it was kind of a still moment suddenly in that busy place. It's like some artists would call it art intervention, like you are intervening or whatever your art practice is, but in the physical space. I know you may not have experienced that, but I also tried it for the first time, by the way. I had no idea what it meant. So I'm going to go a little fast because our time is running out. I'm going to just, this is cane work. Obviously, it's a performance, it's obvious, right? So I'm just moving. What's this? Yeah? What do you think this is?
If you want to see the correct picture, I think you have to be at a certain angle, like you have to be correct in front of it. Then you can see the full picture, I think.
Yeah, this is a stage and these are the steps. So then what is possible if this is a stage and the steps are here? What's possible? And there's a railing and the space behind. What is possible, you think?
Like we can go in between the painting and the frame, like to take a picture, maybe.
Yeah, I mean, you can actually walk, no?
It looks like an invitation to the painting.
Yeah, I mean, you walk on this, right? This is another way of a performance. Like you actually physically walk. You saw walking on the road. You saw a performance being done with people looking here. As you're looking, you can move around and create your own performance. How was that? This is my work, so I can't.
A face of a woman into the left of the steps, like a face of a woman.
Ah, that's right.
So that for me it represents like it is. There are different levels of people walking, but you should really focus on where you are going to go.
Amazing.
Like
okay. I'm not going to show this work. Sorry, I just need to come here. Oh, Sudhir again. So tell me, what is it? You see this, you saw his first work, right? Now this is another work. Again, there are cars. So anything new that you're finding here, discovering here, anything? Can one person just put up the hand and say?
Ma'am, Vishnu.
Vishnu, Vishnu, you never spoke all this time. Why were you hiding? Bolo.
I think the persons who are watching this in the terrace, they are jobless persons.
Acha?
They are watching people who are going to work.
Okay. Vishnu, where would you be standing looking at this? Where are you standing looking at this?
I'm a person trying to cross this road.
Oh, you are somewhere here or here? Here, this side or that side, wherever you are.
This side, trying to cross the road.
Okay. Okay. So but are you really there or is that imaginary?
Imaginary.
Yep. Now I'm going to show you something. Okay, sorry, let me go to this, okay? Hold on, guys. Just want to show you something. Okay. So what did you see here? Is this woman imaginary or real?
Real.
Real? Okay. And what's the experience of this?
The lady, she is watching the performance on the screen, and it looks like a lot of people marching, and on one side there is the men's, and the other one there is women marching.
Okay. And there are actually 4 screens, okay? You can see only 2 here. There is one more on the right, one more. So what is she doing? Moving around, right? All the time? This woman? Did you see that?
It feels like even by looking at that painting, she's also videos. She's also a part of it.
That's right. That's a clever, observation. That's great. So I'm going to stop here. And we have, oh my God, 7:30. Will you give me 5 minutes more? I know I can't always fix into this. So I want something, okay? Now unlearn everything again. Whatever you saw. Unlearn everything and stand at 0 point. And just get up and for 2 minutes go to, you have windows? Wherever in your room, do you have a window? Quickly go to the window. It's gone dark, but whatever you can see. And remember, can you see and come back? Everyone, I'm also going. Come on, quick. I'm going to call you all. Just go see something that is important, that is exciting, that something remind you of something, something which inspires you, whatever it is. Just see that and come. I'm also going. All back? I know it got dark. I didn't realize it. I'm so sorry. But you know what is outside the window. You must have seen something. Right? Now just tell me, no story, just one sentence, just tell me what you saw quickly. Because then Satish will say, oh, come on, hurry up. That's why. I have nothing. I can sit for 1 more hour. But Satish is not going to allow us. So what do we do? So let's go by Ritish first, then Eliza, then Aditya. What did you see?
Ma'am, so I saw a street light, and this street light had very interesting design on it. It had 2 colors, a golden color and a black color. And I can see the flag of Oman flying also. So these are the 2 things I made.
Lovely. Will you write that down so that you don't forget that?
Yeah.
Okay, Elisa?
Ma'am, I also saw lights on buildings, and there were little shadows like moving in front of the lights. Yeah, that's it.
I know everybody's going to, it's dark now, so everybody's going to talk of lights. I know I should have told you to see it earlier. Doesn't matter. But you know, if you see it in the morning or afternoon, it will look different. And you know what that building is. You can imagine the day, okay? But write it down now.
Yes, ma'am.
A timing of the day. A timing you can imagine. Aditya?
Yeah, ma'am, like there was a building there like a while back, but now it's like collapsed and they're like breaking down the building. So I could see that and then breaking it down.
That is what you saw, right?
Yeah.
That's what you chose to see.
Yeah.
That's right. Khyati?
when I saw the buildings, I was able to connect the buildings with Sudhir sir's drawing.
Ah, wow.
And even it was raining earlier, so everything was wet around. So that wetness, I was able to connect with Liz's first presentation when she, the photos presentation.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, thanks. Write down whatever you saw, okay? Vishnu?
I just saw a house, next house.
Okay. Write that down. Liz?
I saw a lot of like spotlights kind of thing. I can only see like small because I'm seeing it from a height. So it's really
Okay.
small.
Oh, you're on a height, is it? Okay. Krishna?
Wet, shiny leaves.
Is shiny?
Leaves.
Oh,
the
leaves.
are-
Okay,
yeah.
great. Ayati?
Actually, I didn't see, I hardly saw anything, but when because Ganpati is about to come, when I opened my window, I was able to, there's some Aarti or Puja going on, so I was able to smell that dhoop and whatever.
Wow.
And then, yes, and I saw a lady, not a lady, but a kitchen. Yes, that's it.
Oh, lovely. Elisa, you finished saying? Did you say?
Yes, ma'am, I
Okay.
said.
Atharva?
I saw a cat passing by.
Pardon?
Yeah, a cat.
You saw a cat.
Cat.
Cat. Wow.
Yeah.
And where was the cat?
Yeah, in my backyard.
In your backyard, but on the
Yeah.
wall, on the floor, on the tree,
No,
in
no,
the sky.
a living cat.
Okay. And Jahan?
Yeah, I just saw plants and trees.
Pardon?
It's so dark and I can see plants and trees.
Okay. Prajakta, did you see anything?
Yes, I saw the movement of my plants.
Okay. Satish, you saw anything?
I saw insects and lizards in my tube light, which only comes at night.
Wow. Imarti, tu paila kahi?
Yes, darkness and quietness.
Wow. Sudhir, did you see anything?
Yeah, there's a tree outside our balcony and there is a lamp behind the tree.
Wow.
So light kind of, filtering from those leaves on the.
Lovely, thanks. I saw a wall which is newly built in my compound, so high I can't see the road, and that the gate is also raised so much that it reminds me of something, which I will tell you in the next session. Okay, so that's what I saw. That very high wall with glasses on the top, so you can't cross, and that high tall gate. So now you know what. Those who can't see anything you can see during the day. Okay, so tomorrow what we are going to do, you are not going to do any homework. You're just going to speculate, wonder, dream. What is this that I saw? What story or an anecdote can I say? What is it, and in what way can I communicate? Can I say it using what material, what medium? Just speculate, do nothing. And if you feel like writing down a few points because you'll forget, please do that. Yeah? Like I'll speculate about this wall and that big gate. Some memory will come to me. Some story I'll make. Right? Does that sound? I know some of the things you've done before. I know with Kulkarni and Nitin and all that, but this is not going to be the same. Or it could be the same. But what is our promise? To let go everything and stand at zero, right? And then you see how you want to tell this story or this episode or that incident or whatever, anecdote, whatever, how you want to tell that to us all, share with us. Yeah? In what way, what material you'll use. So next session, we're going to see what all we can do with that one sentence or two sentences or a story. That, yeah? So can I thank everyone for participating? My junior and senior nahi bolne ka. All the students, all of us, thank you so much for participating. And my guest student, Sudhir and Imarti, thank you so much for participating.
Enjoyed it.
Thank you. So we'll see you on Wednesday. Will you write that down? Don't take it as a homework. What did I say? Dream. What it's called wonderment. Just wondering. How could it be? What will become possible? If I do this, what will become possible? Keep saying that. What will become possible? That's your chant for one whole day. What will become possible? What new thing will become possible? That's the chant. New thing. What can you discover? All right. Thank you so much. Now, next what, Satish?
Next, nothing. We
log off.
We log off and dream.
All right. Thanks, everyone.